In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our scenes. So we're going to start with our pathway group that we created earlier. Then here we're giving you up to 8 scenes that you can modify. So I'm going to click on the first scene, which is night scene. And again, I'm a long press. I can change the name. The name is limited to 8 characters. So keep that in mind when creating a scene or editing the name of the scene. So right now it's in static mode. I can change the mode from static, flash, or breathe. Breathe is more of a slow color changing or slow changing. So I'm going to go ahead and click breathe, and I can add more colors to that. So I can long press the color. I can adjust the color that I want. I can also add up to 8 colors into this scene. So I'm going to add another color, and I'm going to change that to another color like red. And then I can adjust the hue for that color as well. And I also change the speed. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. So we should have white, blue, and red. And there we go. And again, you have up to 8 scenes and 8 colors in the scene that you want. Let's see, I have a holiday scene here that I created for a holiday. If I wanted to change the name of this scene, I long press, click on the scene name, and I can change this to like Halloween or whatever. Okay, and I'm gonna hit save. And right now we have it orange. It's gonna be a static. There's no other settings for on a static mode, so I'm gonna hit submit. And then I have that scene. I can also go back here to my Halloween scene, long press, and I can also change the icon. I can take a photo of my favorite area, or I could choose from a library that I've downloaded from my gallery.